Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to another video on my channel today. Today is gonna be an exciting ride, and I'm really excited because today I'm gonna be driving to Ooty. So I'm with my group right now. The group is just behind. We just stopped for a pit stop. Ooty, excited because Ooty, I mean, it's been raining for the past 1 week in Bangalore, and I've heard that Ooty is amazing at this point of time. So I'm really excited to go to Ooty. Usually I'm riding, but today I'm driving. I'm actually driving in a car today. We got a couple of bikers and I'm on the car as well. So we left Bangalore at about 5:30 a.m. this morning, and we've crossed about 100 kilometers, almost reaching Mandya right now. So just stop for a pit stop, and from now we're just gonna head on and go all the way to Ooty. Gonna stop for a breakfast in Mysore and then head off to Ooty. So join me on this exciting ride. This ride to Ooty or drive to Ooty is going to be put in about maybe 3 or 4 different parts. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to watch all the parts for this Ooty ride. So join me on today's ride while I show you everything that there is to see about Ooty. It's a monsoon. It's not a monsoon, it's actually a winter. It's not even a winter, it's actually a rainy ride. So join me in today's Ooty ride with me and my group. Alright guys, so the time is about 8:45 a.m. right now, and we've just stopped for breakfast. We were supposed to stop at GTR's. People told us that GTR is really good and we should try there, but for some reason we couldn't get there was a lot of crowd there, and we really didn't get a lot of space. So we decided to come to another famous place in Mysore. It's called New Mysore Refreshments. It's just opposite the Mysore Zoo. So I'll show you what the hotel looks like. We've ordered our food. I've heard it's really good, but I'll show you the place from the outside and then we go check it out from the inside. Alright guys, so this is the Mysore Zoo. So once you get into Mysore city, right, if you take a right it goes towards the bus stop, but if you take a left it comes towards the Mysore Zoo. So this is the Mysore Zoo, and the hotel that I'm talking about is just opposite. It's about maybe 50 meters from the Mysore Zoo. So the breakfast is ordered. I'm just gonna go in because they're waiting for me. Let's go in and I'll give you a review of what the food tastes like. And the best part is you don't actually have to go inside the hotel and sit down. If you want to go sit inside you can, but they actually serve you food in the car itself. So you can sit down in your car and order what you want, and they will just serve whatever you want.
Sir, first chutney sambar kude avalin helga. Chutney sambar. I'm so happy. My that's Mysore. No, man. Little more discount. Hey, actually, very good price, man.
Alright guys, so breakfast is done. I think the specialty over here is masala dosa. The only thing that tasted good was masala dosa. There were a lot of things, but the only thing that we ordered was masala dosa, and I think it really tasted good. Alright guys, so we finally reached Ooty, and as I said in the beginning in the morning, right, it's like super exciting. The weather, the fog, I mean it's not raining at the moment, but the weather is just way too beautiful. The chill, the feel that you get in your face, right, even though I'm driving the car, right, I got my windows open and everything, and you know, it's really beautiful guys. So we took the Masinagudi route as you saw, right, so we came up the hills. There's about 32 hairpin bends, and now I've stopped for a tea break. So I've completed the entire stretch of Masinagudi and the forest, Kalhatty forest, and I've stopped for my usual chai break, which I usually stop every time I come to Ooty. But unfortunately the tea shops have closed because of some COVID restrictions, but we've got the carrots, so carrots it is for today. Alright guys, so finally reached Ooty. So I mean I reached Ooty a long time ago, but I've reached the campsite right now. So I'm not going to show you what the campsite is or where it is. I'll just show you a glimpse of where I'm going to be staying. But the entire video of the entire campsite will be put in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you know you get to know as soon as the next video is released. The place where we are staying right now, okay, before that, you know, right now it's the month of May 2022. Ooty is really wonderful. The weather and everything is like awesome, but the traffic is way too much guys. There are a lot of tourists and there are a lot of tourist buses, so you know the whole of Ooty is just crowded. If you're coming by a two-wheeler it's fine, but if you're coming by car, be ready to spend a lot of time in traffic. I've reached the campsite that I'm going to be staying at tonight for this entire weekend that I'm going to be staying at Ooty. I'll show you a glimpse, but the entire video will be covered in the next video. And I guess that's about it guys. I really had a wonderful time driving up the hills of Ooty, and I must say the weather is really amazing. It's sunny right now, but it's not hot. It's sunny, it's cloudy, it's really peaceful. So if you're planning to come to Ooty, yes, definitely it's the right time, but make sure you come by two-wheeler, or if you're coming by car, make sure you keep some spare time. I will see you soon in the next video guys. Until then, take care and have a nice day. Bye bye.